a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Shares in Metaplanet rallied 15.7% on October 15th after the Japanese investment firm announced its latest purchase of around 107 Bitcoin worth around $6.7 million. Metaplanet's latest purchase brings its total stash to 855.5 Bitcoin worth over $56.1 million, the firm said in an October 15 statement. The firm said it spent nearly $6.7 million, around 1 billion yen, to buy 106.976 BTC, paying around $62,520 per coin, 5.8% under Bitcoin's market price of $66,200 at the time of Metaplanet's announcement. Its share price is up 480% since its unveiling its Bitcoin investment strategy in early April. United States spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds saw their biggest one-day inflow in over 4 months with more than $500 million in inflows. The 11 ETFs saw aggregate net inflows of $555.9 million on October 14th, their largest daily net inflow since early June, according to data from Farsight Investors. The big day came as Bitcoin hit a 2-week high of $66,500 in late trading. The Fidelity Wise Bitcoin Origin Fund was the leader of the pack with an inflow of $239.3 million, its highest since June 4th. Monochrome Asset Management has launched Australia's first exchange-traded fund that directly holds Ether, with assets under management reaching $176,600. On October 15th, the Monochrome Ethereum ETF went live on the Sydney-based equities exchange CBOE Australia, with total net assets reaching $176,600, which is $262,500 Australian dollars by 2 p.m. local time, according to CBOE Australia. The fund has a management fee of 0.5% and offers in-kind applications and redemptions, allowing transactions in either cash or Ether, and is the only dual-access spot Ether ETF in Australia. Bitgo and Gemini are the crypto custodians for the ETF, and State Street Australia is the fund administrator. The Hyper Foundation has been established to support the growth of the Hyperliquid blockchain. It is preparing to conduct the Genesis distribution of its native token Hype. The new token is the first step towards proof-of-stake consensus and the launch of an Ethereum virtual machine on the Layer 1 blockchain's mainnet. Hyper's flagship product is the Hyperliquid decentralized order book-based perpetual trading platform, which is the world's largest by volume at over $1 billion in daily trading in 145 pairs. It has over 200,000 users. The launch of the Hyper EVM will grant users access to a deeper liquidity pool and additional instruments. Sui, a Layer 1 blockchain, denied allegations that insiders sold $400 million in Sui tokens during a recent price surge. The claims suggested a wallet linked to the foundation profited, but Sui clarified that no insider had sold any tokens. Concerns about Sui's $23 billion valuation have emerged, with skepticism over its legitimacy compared to competitors like Solana. Despite a 100% surge in the token's value, it was down 2.5% on the day. So he suggested the wallet in question likely belonged to an infrastructure partner under a lockup agreement, but doubts remain in the community. Nearly 2 years after the collapse of FTX and Alameda Research, their connection to Solana persists. As FTX prepares to repay investors, it plans to accelerate sales of SOL tokens, having recently redeemed 178,631 SOL worth $28 million. This follows a pattern of transferring about 170,000 SOL monthly, raising concerns about the impact on Solana's network and the broader market. Since FTX's collapse, Solana's price has been sensitive to these holdings, having dropped to $8 per token at the time. Base, a Layer 2 Ethereum network developed by Coinbase, has become the largest roll-up by total value locked, reaching $2.49 billion across 366 protocols, surpassing Arbitrum's $2.39 billion. A significant portion of Base's TVL comes from the decentralized exchange Aerodrome, which has over $1.3 billion in deposits. Base ranks among the top 5 blockchain networks by TVL, following Ethereum, Tron, Solana, and BNB Chain. PancakeSwap has introduced an exciting new product called PancakeSwapX, as reported by Foresight News. This innovative platform enables users to execute zero-fee transfers and gas-free asset exchanges on both the Ethereum and Arbitrum networks. By eliminating transaction fees, PancakeSwapX aims to enhance user experience and accessibility, allowing traders to move assets more efficiently without the burden of additional costs. Bitget wallet has achieved nearly 6 million downloads in September, making it the second most downloaded crypto app globally, just behind Binance. The wallet's user base has surpassed 40 million, more than doubling since March 2024, establishing it as one of the fastest growing decentralized wallets this year. Ripple announced its partnership with several exchanges and market makers for its upcoming dollar-pegged stablecoin RLUSD during the Ripple Swell 2024 conference in Miami. The company has enlisted exchanges such as Bitstamp, Bitso, and Uphold for distribution, while trading firms Keyrock and B2C2 will act as market makers. Ripple has also appointed former FDIC Chair Sheila Bair and ex-Center CEO David Puth to its advisory board. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information and stories log on to our website www.3worldtv.io or scan the QR code.